Hey, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to make a cute little centerpiece using these items from Dollar Tree. I have a pan, a candle holder, and a basket, and I've made a couple of these. I just never shared a video. Over the past couple years this is probably my favorite, so I thought I would share. Keep watching and I'll show you how it turns out. I'm going to use this Rust-Oleum paint. It's called Hammered, and that's what I'm going to use to spray everything to give it a galvanized look. And here's how my centerpiece turned out. So I threw some hot glue on top of the candle holder, and then I just placed my pan on top, and it dried and it's pretty secure. And then I threw some greenery in, some lights, and then I set a candle in the center, threw my basket on top, and it looks like a cute little chicken wire centerpiece. That's gonna end my video. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching.